Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be starting a new series and I'm gonna be calling it the Mid. Ay. Hi guys, today I'm introducing to you a new series and I'm calling it the Midweek Mini Review Series. So I decided to do this series kasi I'm gonna be doing my reviews and first impressions on products. So it's gonna be shorter than my usual videos. Kaya yun. So it's not a regular thing. Only if I have new products to review, dun lang ako magpo-post ng midweek mini series. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Happy Skin Perfect Brows Long-Lasting Liquid Pen. Whew! Tagal ko ginawa yun. Alam ko na hindi to bagong product sa market, but I decided to get it because of the Glossier na Brow Flick. Kasi nakita ko si Kathleen Lights, she was using the Brow Flick to do her everyday makeup habang quarantine. And she was doing feathery brows, tas ang ganda tignan. So I was looking for the Brow Flick sa Shopee, tsaka sa mga sellers sa Instagram, and I couldn't find it. So today, we're gonna try this one and see if it's gonna be a good substitute or dupe for that one. I'm also gonna be wearing it for a few hours until mamayang gabi para makita natin how long-lasting it really is. Kung totoo ba yung claim niya na long-lasting siya, long-lasting liquid pen. First time ko gagamit ng gantong kind of brow product kasi usually ang gamit ko is brow pencils, yung mga thin na brow pencils to achieve the feathery look. Okay, so nanood na ako ng tutorial ni Kathleen Lights on how she uses the Brow Flick. So I'm gonna try to recreate it. Let's pray na okay tong mangyari. So, come closer. Come closer. Closer, please. What I learned from the video ni Kathleen is you have to be super light-handed. And then, hindi siya parang drawing. You're gonna do the flicks. Brow flick. Yan siya after application. So this is the side na nilagyan ko na ng brow flick nung Happy Skin na brow perfect brows. And then ito yung side na wala. So itong side na to is mas manipis talaga siya normally than this side. So makikita natin na yes, na fill in. Okay siya kasi mukhang natural, but definitely meron siyang learning curve, and ako personally hindi ko pa na gets masyado. So medyo hindi pa siya ganun ka-perfect, but it can do what the brow flick does. So that's the difference. This is with, this is without. So I'm not sure how it's picking up in the camera. So ngayon, lalagyan natin to ng brow gel. So I'm gonna use the Sunny's Face na Life Brow. Guys! So, ang ganda! So nung nilagyan ko siya nung brow gel, sobrang nagmukha siyang mas fluffy, mas feathery, and still natural. Yun, after applying the brow gel, kailangan lang natin i-fill in ulit yung areas na need ma-fill in. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Ayan na! So, this is the one with the products, and this is the one na wala. So, what I like is, like ako kasi, yung side ko na to, kalbo yung dulo niya. Like, sobrang nipis ng hair. So, ngayon, na-drawingan ko siya nung hair-like strokes. So, ganyan na siya yung itsura niya. Kinikilig ako. Yes, so, malamang alam niyo na kung ano yung verdict ko, but I'll quickly do the other side first, and then I'm gonna give you my verdict. Ayan. So, we're done with both eyes. So, first impressions. So, number one, definitely may learning curve siya. So, nakita ko na the best way to hold it is paganto. So, pag ganyan kasi, you can just flick it. Kasi nung tinry ko na siya dun sa other eye ko, I was able to do more consistent yung strokes. And then, second, ang negative lang na nakikita ko, parang hindi ko alam kung ubos na ba siya agad or something. Kasi tignan nyo, ang dami kong strokes dito kasi may times na parang walang lumalabas. And then pag tinry ko dito, wala nga. And then pag diniinan ko ng konti, dun siya magkakaroon. And then yun, makakaano ako ulit. So I don't think na dahil nag-dry up yung product or dahil wala na siyang product. So I guess you have to store it baliktad para at least bumababa yung product dun sa tip. Yun. So I'm gonna be wearing this the whole day. But for first impression, sobrang gusto ko siya. I think it could replace this one. I forgot to mention that this is 399 pesos sa Happy Skin, Lazada or Shopee meron. So I'll link it down below also. So basta I give this as of now an 8/10. So it will depend na lang kung gaano ka tagal siya maglalast. So pwedeng bumaba yung score, pwedeng tumaas, and then also kung gaano katagal maglalast yung product, how many times ko siya magagamit yun. Okay, so update lang. The Happy Skin eyebrow pen, nag-work siya. So it stayed on for, I think, I think around 7 hours. I finished my brows around 11 a.m. Tas ngayon, it's exactly 6 p.m. And it's still there, going strong. And yun. So, good. Thank you for watching my first ever midweek mini review. So, please click subscribe and follow all my social media channels. And I'll see you on Saturday.